Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmt.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Go to search bar and type here troubleshoot settings. Click here to open it. Other troubleshooters, then Windows update and click on run. It will try to detect the problems. Okay, now close this window. Again go to search bar and type here services and click here to open it. On this window, scroll down and right click on Windows Update, select Properties and select Start. Once done, select Startup Type as Automatic, click on Apply and then OK. Go to Extended tab, select Windows Update and select Restart the service. Now close this window. Again go to search bar, type here cmd, run as administrator, select S. Now type this command carefully, sfc /scannow. This command will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and again open command prompt. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy and paste on the command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. These commands are really important. After that, close command prompt window. Now we need to open command prompt once again. follow my screen. Once done, close the command prompt window. Open System Configuration. Now check this option and go to Services. Now check this option, click on Disable All, apply all the changes and simply click on Restart. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.